so we're back. We're in Miami now. We just landed. There goes Kai. We got all our stuff and we're about to head to the vehicle. Got a lot to say before I close this vlog out about the whole trip. This is a summation and we got quite a ride to get home. Right, babe? Right. So that's it. So now, the last time we came, we were lost for like 6 hours before we found our car. Because this one right here claimed she knew where the vehicle was parked at, and she didn't. So.
And I walked from 6 hours to start and call the assistant.
But this time I have the ticket. I have the ticket, so I know exactly where we're at. But anyway, see you outside the parking lot after we find the vehicle. So this battery is so low, my screen is not working. But I made it back, and I'm about to pick up. We found my car. So I pick up a car, you know. See everybody in there. We're at an underground parking in Miami. We're home, we made it home safe. So we got a little bit of driving to do. And then we'll be home soon. Alright, don't know why I'm to the camera right now. I'm performing properly. But side thing go. Maybe it's because the battery is low. Notice nothing on the screen, but it's recording.
How come you know it's on record?
Because I can't see through this.
You mess up the same thing. We're gonna reset the camera.
Let me send you over to Natural Shells Organics. Nothing beats looking good and feeling good and taking proper care of yourself so you can be the best you that you can be. These products are 100% handmade and organic. It's time that you start taking care of yourself and putting things on your body that are natural, that you can pronounce the ingredients and that you know won't harm you. This product line mostly consists of hair care products that are made to increase hair growth and improve hair health and treat your scalp. There are also skincare products here to soothe out the blemishes, soothe your irritated skin, improve your texture of your skin, and even out your skin tone. And for the fellas, that growth oil, 100% organic, handmade, will have your beard, mustache looking right. So head on over to Natural Shells Organics. Tell us SouFLoTV sent you and start taking good care of yourself because you deserve it. Back to our regular scheduled program at hand. So let's take a break, y'all, real quick, and let's get into a little bit of promo. I mean, in a time when everybody dresses alike and look alike, you know, sometimes it's important to remember that you are original. So it's okay to be original and not like everybody else. Mimo clothing brand. All contacts for IG, FB, and their website, which you can purchase directly on at www.mimoclothingbrand.com. Mimo Clothing Brand started in 2021, and they have a variety of t-shirts and hoodies that are out for sale on the website right now. Go over to Mimo Clothing Brand, purchase a piece, show your support, tell them SouFLoTV sent you. Back to our scheduled program at hand.
I'm at the hallway, I'm at the hallway, I'm at the hallway, I'm at the hallway. It all started in that empty hallway. Ask if I'm gon' ride, I say always. Sliding, sliding. Police right behind me, tryna die tonight. C4 if you try and blow like dynamite.
Alright, so that's T-Viral, and he has released Hallways, and this is his second single on his YouTube channel called Sliding. Hit the link in the description below or in the comment section pinned. Go over to T-Viral's channel, hit that subscribe button over there and check out his music.
Sliding, sliding. Police right behind me, tryna die tonight. C4 if you try and blow like dynamite.